What's up everyone, this is Ryan with uniqueapps.com. Today's app review is going to cover a really neat application. It's called Color Splash. What Color Splash does is it'll take any photo that you have or allow you to take a photo. It'll convert that photo to black and white and allow you to select different areas of the photo to restore back to color. So here's the icon right now. This is a premium application in the iTunes store. It's $1.99 right now. It's going to ask me if I want to start a new session or resume. I actually go ahead and start a new session, just show you how you select a photo. So it's giving me this menu right here, either take a photo or load image. I'm going to go ahead and load image because I have some photos in my camera roll that I'll use. Here's my camera roll, select that, and I'll actually select a picture in here. Let's go ahead with this picture. This was actually a picture of me. I was in a kite surfing race yesterday, so this is a picture of me actually on the beach right now. You see it loads photo, then it converts to color. So I have, go ahead and zoom in, I have a bunch of kite surfing gear in my hand right now. You can see all the kites in the background. So again, this was on the beach. I'm wearing my wetsuit. It was freezing yesterday, but again, that's besides the fact. So what we have right now is we have the color icon selected. I'm going to go over this menu really quick. We have up here, this icon right here allows you to load different images, save different images, or load a different session. I'm going to go ahead and cancel because we have the photo we want to use. Here's the help icon. If you have anything, I'm not at all going to cover all the features of this application. I'm just going to cover the overall feature, which is converting black and white to color. So if you have a question about anything, click this button up here, which is the help menu. We have the drawing tools up here. And unlike other things where you would get a smaller brush or something like that, this one you would just zoom in to color different things. We also have three different icons on the bottom, a pan and zoom. When you select this, you can now move the image anywhere you want. When you select this, this allows you to add color to the image. I'm just going to draw my finger across the screen. You can see the color up here. So I'll show you that real quick. So here's the image in color. You can see the kites right now, the sky, the kites are a little bit brighter. There's me being a goof right there on the beach. And then gray, I can actually color the photo back gray by just doing a swipe over like this. So what I'm going to do right now is just show you briefly on how you add images or how you add colors to images. So let's say that I've got my kite in my hand right here. Here's my kite. So I'm going to zoom way in, and I'm actually going to add color back to my kite. So adding some color right now. Let me try to just get my kite really quick, and I've actually got other photos in here that I've taken a little bit more time. This one I'm just going to try to do really quick just so you can see how this is done. Again, very, very neat application. Here's my kite up here too. This is all rolled up. Again, I'm not going to be really detailed about this because, like I said, I do have other images that I've saved before. I'm just going to do a brief there. So now I have my kite all in color and everything else in black. Let's do my board shorts that I'm wearing down here. I'll add that in color. Okay, real quick. And then let's do maybe another kite on the beach or something. See what color this one is. Cool, that's another vibrant kite that will make color real quick. Let's do a couple more kites on the beach maybe. Oops. And you see I just swiped across there and I made everything else color. So I can actually click this undo button right here, and if you watch it'll go back to gray. So that my hand and everything just went back to gray. So do another I'm going to go to the pan tool really quick. I'm going to do another couple kites over here. Really quick, like I said, I'm not trying to be too detailed with this, just because I have other images, a couple other kites. So that's the overall effect of this tool, and I'm actually going to show you a couple images. So again, very, very unique tool, and at any time, let's say that I want to add this kite back to gray, I just will zoom in right here, select the gray tool again, and then color that over, and it'll go back to gray. Now I just want to note though, this application does not add any colors to your photos. It just really makes them grayscale and then adds you to restore the original colors. So there's no adding. That is really the color of my kite right there and my board shorts right there. Actually, I've got a yellow pump to pump up my kite in there, and I'll show you that right here. This should be bright yellow. Like I said, there's the end of the pump down here. Again, bright yellow. So like I said, this does not add any colors. It just restores the colors. So very, very neat application. Really fun to play and really professional looking. Very easy to use tools. And you can zoom really, really far in. So this is my hand that we're at right now. So I can color that right now. And this is, again, I'll zoom way out. So that was my index finger that we are coloring right now. So you can get really, really detailed with this application. So I'm actually going to show you some other photos that I've done. So I'm not going to save this image. I'm just going to exit out of this app, and I'm going to show you what you can do. I'm going to go to my camera roll right now, and I'm going to show you some really neat photos that I just was messing around with the application that I did. So here's my camera roll. I'm going to select right here. This is a photo actually that we were out on the boat. This parasailor came by, and he was flying right by our boat. So you can see the color that I did right here. Everything else is black and white except for my friend's wife right here on the boat. She's sitting there watching him, and then this paraglider. So very cool thing. This was a pizza that I did. Again, I made it black and white, restored the pepperonis, and I restored the cup right here to its original color. So then you can see those pepperonis. Here was a really cool local place here in St. Petersburg. We had brunch out there. Here's a mimosa and a water where I restored the color to this lemon right here, and then I restored the color to the mimosa and the strawberry on top. Here's a picture of me on the beach the other day when we were fixing to get ready to go kite surfing. I restored the color to my glasses and my hat, so everything else is black and white. I think that's actually probably it. So there's 4 photos that I did real quick using this. Very neat application. Again, it's called Color Splash. It's a premium application. It's $1.99 right now. I give this application probably a 4.5 out of 5 stars. It's a very, very cool application. Very neat to do this with your photos. And like I said, it really gives you a professional touch. I mean, I'm horrible at Photoshop and everything else. And I did this photo in I'd probably say 2 or 3 minutes. I did that on my iPhone. Same thing with all these. Really, this pepperoni, they took a little while because I had to zoom way in and get each pepperoni. But this pepperoni photo took me maybe 5 minutes. Again, here, same thing. The parasail took me a little bit of time to really zoom in and get around those edges. But this photo took me about 5 minutes too. So definitely recommend this application to anybody that wants to do anything kind of custom and unique with their photos. Again, this is Ryan with uniqueapps.com. I give this application a 4.5 out of 5 stars, and I hope you enjoyed this review, and I hope you all have a great day.